Project Harry Hart, an icon crafted to be a true modern gentleman's defender. This bespoke Defender 110 blends classic British heritage with contemporary sophistication. Grasmere green in gloss, paired with a white diamond metallic roof, Zermatt silver accents, and hand-painted custom details. A palette inspired by timeless countryside elegance, and the confidence to stand out anywhere. Under the hood, the heart of the gentleman beats strong. A 430 horsepower LS3 V8, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. Enough power to move with purpose, delivered with the refinement of a quieter Baller Sport exhaust. With E.C.D air ride suspension and BFG all-terrains, Harry Hart is equally at home navigating old city streets or escaping them entirely. A curated blend of Torino Taupe Fedora leather and heather Creagie check fabric, honouring Scotland's weaving tradition. Horizontal stitch patterns, custom pockets, and hydro-dipped Brazilian rosewood details give the cabin a warm, tailored presence, like stepping into a tailored suit, stitched to perfection. And when the night settles in, the custom Starlight headliner turns every journey into its own private escape. Choose your colour, set your mood. The sky, quite literally, belongs to you. Modernity lives discreetly behind handcrafted luxury. Apple CarPlay, JL audio sound, rear AC, hidden lockbox, remote start, blind spot assist, a digital rear view mirror. Project Harry Hart is built for the weekends you disappear into the mountains, for the early mornings you carve your own lane through the fog, for the moments when life demands something timeless, yet entirely your own. In a world moving fast, this Defender reminds you to move with intention.